Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. In today's class, we will discuss how to personalize our computer system. As you know, what is the meaning of the personalization here, where you can just change our computer system background, pictures, wallpapers, computer system, screensaver, themes, color in your computer system. These all we can change in the personalize our computer system. First, you have to be open your computer system and click on the start button is there. When you click on the start button, a window will be appear like in this way on your screen. You can see in this picture here, I circulated the control panel. I click here on the right side control panel, a window will be appear. But if you are using your computer system in Windows 10, if you are using the Windows 10 in your computer system, just write here personalize and then a window will be appear of the personalize is there. Otherwise, the third option is here. Just right click on the computer system and a wizard will be like in this way appear on your screen. Just click on personalize. When you click on the personalize option, then a wizard will be appear. You can see on your screen right now a wizard of the personalized option is here. You can see here in the left side some options are here in the personalized before under there background, colors, lock screen, theme, fonts, start or taskbar. If you want to be changed to any kind of the there, if you want to be personalized these kind of the options, then you just click these options and you can be changed in this option. First, I change the background wallpaper in my computer system. So what to do? I select here the background option. When I click on the background option, then this kind of the window will be appear and you can select any picture from your computer system where you have to be click on the browse option and then you can select any picture from your computer system. If you want to be changes here, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स योर पिक्चर हैव टू बी रिवील लाइक ना आपको पर आवर्स के बाद उसे चेंज करना है या आपको किसी 6 आवर्स के बाद चेंज करना, दैन यू हैव टू बी क्लिक ऑन द चेंज द पिक्चर एवरी आवर्स टाइमिंग इज हेयर, दैन क्लिक ऑन ओके. नाउ second option, how can we change here our themes. So when you click on the personalize option, then next item we will select the theme is here. When you click on the theme option, then a window will be appear. You can select any theme from here and just click on that particular theme on your computer screen. After that, you can see the particular theme styles in your computer system will be displayed one by one. In the theme, you can be visualize the background of the computer system, Windows color, Windows screensaver, and you can be changes from there. Next is here we want to be change the color of the computer screen. So what to do? Just go to the personalize option. When you click on the personalize option, there is then a next option is the colors. Click on this window, any one color you have to be select, just tick mark a check marks there. If you want to be more colors, then click on the custom color and you can be according to your selection can be choose the click on color and then click on OK. The third thing is here, how can we change the screensaver. First, we understand what is the meaning of the screensaver here. Screensaver, when you leave your computer system for some time, suppose you are not to be working any kind of the computer system, then a window will be appear on your screen that is known as a screensaver. If you want to be go back on your computer on work, then just press any key of your keypad. Otherwise, you can be use keyboard or a mouse button can be pressed there. Now we have to be select any one screensaver from here, then we can be do apply on them. If you are using Windows 2003, then when you go to the personalize option and select screensaver, this kind of the window will be appear on your screen. None. If you are not using any kind of the screensaver there, then select none option. If you want to be you can see here multiple options here. I am clicking on the 3D text. 3D text means you have to be write a text like your name. I am writing here my name Urmila Agarwal, so it will be shows in a 3D text. If I don't want to write any kind of the text, just go to the blank option, my stiffy, photos, ribbons, bubbles, multiple options are here for the screensaver. You can be choose to them. Suppose I am writing here my name, so I use 3D text, then click on the setting options here and write the name of my here, then click on the apply, and then next option is na okay. Now how can we change the date and time in our computer system? The first is go to your start button, then window will be appear, select on control panel. When you click on the control panel, a window will be appear there. There is an option is there, date and time. In a date and time, you can be click set the time and date. When you click on this option set the time and date, you can see this kind of the window will be appear on your screen. You according to your requirement, you can be change the date and time setting here. You can be select any one date from here. If you want to be particular date and time change, then click on this highlighted button that is in a, already highlighted is in a red box, change date and time, then you can change your date and time. Another option is here, you can just right click here on the your taskbar. You can see there date and time. When you click on this option date and time on the right side of your taskbar, then same window will be appear. You can change also from there your date and time. So hope you understand each and everything. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.